A gust of wind sweeps across a dusty field in rural India, where young boys are engrossed in a game of cricket, their laughter echoing in the warm afternoon air. Thousands of miles away, a young girl in Spain ties her shoelaces, her heart pounding with anticipation as she prepares to step onto the football field. Across the Atlantic, a group of college students in the United States huddle together, discussing strategies for the upcoming basketball game. Meanwhile, in a quiet corner of Japan, an old man meticulously arranges the black and white stones on his Go board. And in New Zealand, a rugby team stands shoulder to shoulder, their voices rising in a powerful haka before the match begins. These are more than just games, they are a testament to the competitive spirit, the camaraderie, the thrill, and the sheer joy of sports. So, today, we delve into the top 5 physical games that have captured the world's imagination. First up, cricket. Often referred to as the gentleman's game, cricket originated in England in the 16th century. It's a game of strategy, precision, and patience, and it has a massive following, especially in the Indian subcontinent, Australia, and the United Kingdom. International cricket tournaments like the Cricket World Cup and the Ashes series draw billions of viewers worldwide. Next we have football, or as it's known in the United States, soccer. With its humble beginnings dating back over 2,000 years, football is now the most popular sport in the world. The game is a blend of athleticism, strategy, and teamwork. The FIFA World Cup, held every 4 years, is the most watched sporting event globally, highlighting the sport's universal appeal. Basketball, a game invented by Dr. James Naismith in 1891, is our third pick. A sport that demands agility, accuracy, and teamwork, basketball has gained a global following. The National Basketball Association, or NBA, is the premier professional basketball league in the world and is widely considered the main source of American sports culture. Moving away from team sports, we have Go. This ancient board game from China is all about strategy. 2 players take turns placing black or white stones on a grid, trying to capture the opponent's stones or surround empty space. Even though it might not be as physically demanding as the other games on this list, it requires mental agility and strategic thinking. Lastly, we have rugby. Originating in England, rugby is a game that requires strength, speed, and strategy. It's hugely popular in countries like New Zealand, Australia, and South Africa. The Rugby World Cup, held every 4 years, is a testament to the sport's popularity. To summarize, the top 5 physical games that have taken the world by storm are cricket, football, basketball, Go, and rugby. Each game, with its unique set of rules and requirements, offers a different thrill and challenge for its players and spectators. Whether it's the strategic gameplay of cricket and Go, the universal appeal of football, the dynamic action of basketball, or the raw physicality of rugby, these games enrich our lives, bringing us joy and uniting us in the spirit of sportsmanship.